Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through finding your missing items. So from the LS2 launch page, you're going to select cataloging. It's going to ask you to put in your username and password. Mine had, the first time I accessed LS2 cataloging, it had the old password that was issued by LLR. I think we all had the same one. Now you have to put in your new password, the one that you created. So if you get an error, just retype the password and then log in. Once in cataloging, click on Advanced, and then you're going to look for Item Status. Here, you'll click on the drop-down menu and select Missing. And we're going to want to add another parameter, and we're going to want to choose our location, and it automatically populates Jefferson for me. And then click Search. And there are 6 missing items. Hope that helps. Thanks everyone. Bye.